guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lori with Lori Nails, back for another video. And today I'm going to be unboxing my box that I just got from Double Dip Nails. Let's see what they sent.
I was walking with the ghost.
All right, so here's the box. Let's see what we've got here. A cute card. All right, let's open this up. I love these little pink bags. These are darling. So we have the dip top, the dip base, and the double dip activator. And what else do we have? Oh, cute. So there's a little buffer and a little file and a couple of cuticle sticks, as well as some extra brushes for the bottles. As we know that dip products can get kind of goopy, so that's nice. They sent extra brushes. Okay, let's see what else we have. So it looks like we have 3 powders in this bag. Ooh, this is like a frosty blue. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love blue. It's one of my favorite colors. And then a green. So let's see this green. Oh, this is frosty as well. That's really, really pretty. I can't wait to see these. And then the third color is a really light green. Let's check it out. You probably can't see it in the camera, but I will swatch them. Okay, let's see what else we have here. So the first one is a pink. It's a darker pink, and it's dipping acrylic ombre. It's got a little bit of frost in it, a little tiny bit of sparkle. You probably can't see it, but this looks like a gray. Let's see. Okay, so that is a light gray color. That's really pretty too. That's gonna, I'm not sure how it's gonna look on nails in terms of light or medium, but it's really pretty. And this is dipping acrylic ombre as well. And this is a really light gray, but this one has a little bit of sparkle in it. Might be a little bit of a metallic. Very pretty. And then for the last item, we have Hollow Flake. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Those are gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. Can you see that? Definitely holographic. That's gonna be fun. Okay, well that's it for the unboxing of the Double Dip products. And I can't wait to try these out. Thank you, Double Dip, for sending these to me. They look amazing. I can't wait to swatch them. Okay guys, that's it for the unboxing of the Double Dip nail products. So one thing I need to add is that Double Dip is vegan free and cruelty free. They also advertise that you can use it for dipping and for acrylic, so colored acrylic. So that opens up a world of opportunity in terms of how to use these colors. So if you want to check them out, they gave me a code for you guys to use. It's Lori15, that's Lori and the number 15. And go check them out on their site, you guys. They have a ton of different colors. I'm not sure how many. I want to say I saw like maybe 2,000 or something like that. But they have so many beautiful colors. So go check them out, and thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.